What's going on, guys? It's Kev from the Western Nation. In today's video, we'll be talking about how Silicon Valley has experienced a significant financial loss due to DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup company, and how you can benefit from it today. Let's get it.
It's opened just a few minutes ago, and it's not pretty. Down big, especially the tech-heavy NASDAQ. CNN's Matt Egan is here to explain what we're seeing and why, Matt.
Yeah, John, we've got a bit of a tech sell-off this morning, and it's being caused by earth-shattering developments in the AI space. So let's take a look at this. Did you see the Dow down more than 100?
You know, we love that. When we see, when we see red in the market, you gotta love that. You gotta take advantage of those days. You have to take advantages of those days, man. When you see the stock market on red, like today, right? Like today, you see the NASDAQ down 625 points in a day. That's pretty good. You know, it's a good opportunity for you to get in the market. And if you are already in the market, it's a great opportunity for you to, keep buying your favorite companies, and Nvidia, AMD, and Meta. Not today, because Meta actually went up today with all-time highs, and Apple is doing pretty well today. But you know what I mean. Just go. It's a great opportunity for you to invest in the tech space, in the tech sector, in times like this.
40 points right now. The S&P solidly lower, but the real action is over here in the NASDAQ, 600 points lower, nearly 3%, on track for one of its worst days in the past 2 years. And here's why. There's a Chinese startup that few people had ever heard of until the past few days, and it has emerged as a real player in the AI arms race. It's called DeepSeek, and investors, and I would imagine officials in Washington, are stunned to learn that DeepSeek's AI model has developed technology that can actually be competitive with OpenAI and Google and X.
Listen, DeepSeek just came in like the robber in the night. Everybody's sleeping, everybody's having a good time, people not paying attention, people just doing them, laid back, chill back, laid back, you heard? He just came in like, yeah, I'm here to stay. Number one app in Apple, in the Apple App Store, number one, is less expensive than OpenAI, O1. It also uses less computing power, and it also less expensive in the subscription, right? It's less expensive in the subscription, but to build a company, it was like pennies on the dollar type of vibes. Well, let's see though.
And all these more established players, it's only been around for a bit, but DeepSeek has already vaulted to the top of the App Store on Apple as the most downloaded app, passing ChatGPT, which is pretty shocking. Look at that, number one. Veteran investor, billionaire Mark Andreessen, a legendary tech investor, he said that DeepSeek is, quote, one of the most amazing and impressive breakthroughs that he has ever seen. Now, the most stunning thing here isn't necessarily that China has developed a pretty good AI app. It's how cheap it is. DeepSeek says that their AI model only cost $5.6 million. Now, we don't know that, but if that's true, that is pretty stunning. Anthropic, one of the leading AI.
Let me put a caption, because I don't know if he was saying millions or billions. Forgive me on that. Let me see.
DeepSeek says that their AI model only cost $5.6 million. Now, we don't know that, but
man, that's crazy. $5.6 million just to create that. And over here in the U.S., a lot of other companies, they spend billions of dollars every year in AI. So that's crazy. It is pretty tough, man. You also gotta understand, when you're a business owner, and you only care about the customer, and what the customer care about is convenience and low prices. The customer don't care about nothing else. They just want something that is convenience, and you making it convenience to them, making it simple to them to purchase that, and also the price. So you gotta think about that too.
we don't know that, but if that's true, That is pretty stunning. Anthropic, one of the leading AI companies, has said that it costs about $100 million to $1 billion to develop an AI model. We know that Mark Zuckerberg, the Meta CEO, says that his company plans to spend $65 billion on AI. So John, look, this is all really questioning sort of the foundation here of the AI boom, which is that it requires a lot of spending, which is that the US is running away with the AI arms race, and it's also questioning some of the big positives that had pushed markets to record highs.
A lot of people put a lot of money into AI, and now they're wondering if that money is needed the way that some of these American companies have said it is.
Exactly.
We just don't know if the claims being made by these Chinese companies.
Yeah, you know, we don't know if it's true or not, but if it's true, it's pretty good, man. It's pretty good. Especially they being number one right now in the App Store. They are better than ChatGPT 01. You need less computing power. It's cheaper, right, in the subscriptions, and it also, right, is just better overall. It's just a better AI assistant than ChatGPT 01 if you compare both of them. You know, so that's why they just took over today, right? And the Nasdaq and all the tech companies just went down. It's a bloodbath in the stock market today. You know, I got another video here that I want to show you guys before we step into my stock portfolios and show you guys what we got, what I picked up today, and also I think y'all should pick up today, take advantage of this opportunity that y'all seeing at this moment, right? So
first of all, the AI race and the AI war between US and China, I think, is one of the most important issues of today. We took out a full-page ad on the Washington Post on Tuesday saying that, you know, America must win the AI war. And so this...
That's true. You know, it's very important, the AI war between US and China, because whoever wins that war basically it just dominates the whole world, is the leader of the whole world, you know. Whoever wins that war is the leader of the world. All right, so today I can say personally that China won the battle, but when it comes to the war, and if everything plays out how it should play out, and you know, with the backing of the Trump administration and all the money coming in from all these big 10 companies, I believe that US can win the war, right? But today we have lost the battle, as we can see in the stock market. Okay, so it's fine, it's chill.
Relative race in AI between the US and China is critical. Today we released Humanity's Last Exam, which is a new evaluation or benchmark of AI models that we produced by getting, you know, math, physics, biology, chemistry professors to provide. You know, the Chinese labs, they have more H100s than people think. You know,
and these are the highest powered NVIDIA chips that they were not supposed to have.
Yes. My understanding is that DeepSeek has about 50,000 H100s, which they can't talk about, obviously, because it is against the export controls that the United States has put in place. And I think it is true that, you know, I think they have more chips than other people expect, but also on a go-forward basis, they are...
That's the ticker right there. That's the ticker right there. Once I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, we got to go to the stock market and do it. You know what I mean? Do a couple buys, pick up a couple shares. He just said it right there. You know, like NVIDIA is the supplier. So at the end of the day, it don't matter what's going on. We just got to worry about who's winning. We just got to worry about the winner. It's how they be saying, you know, it's like you chew the meat and you spit out the bones. You just worry about the information, what can actually make money for you. All right, so once I heard this, NVIDIA is the supplier for Chinese and the US, right? They are needed. They are needed. The number one AI chip supplier in the world. They are needed at the moment. So what we're going to do, you know, we're going to go in and get us some NVIDIA shares. It's very simple. You just got to pay attention to the news and be on your tippy toes, man. Be on your Q's and Q's, you know. Whatever they say, you just gotta be on your ground. You gotta be focused. You know, you gotta be ready to take action when times like this come in. All right, you gotta stay ready. You gotta stay ready and prepared to execute, like we just did right now. So with that being said, right, we're gonna jump into my one of my stock portfolios that I got, and I will show you a couple companies that I pick up today. And the reason why is, you already know Nvidia was number one, and they also got another company that I pick up today that I believe that my investments in the company would easily 2x or 3x during this couple years coming up. We out here. This is my this is one of my stock portfolios, and it's not bad right now, but it was pretty bad right here. As you can see that wall. You see that heat is coming all the way down. Look at that. But that was 5 in the morning. They love doing that, bro. Like, come on, you can't do anything there. I was sleeping and the market's closed, so you can't do anything there. But it was down 4%, you know, 1,400, you know, 1,400. But it can't, you know, you see it volatile. That's the stock market. It's up and down, up and down. You just gotta be ready. So right here we got us a couple shares on Nvidia, man. Had to get me a couple shares on Nvidia. So for the day, Nvidia is down 16%. You know, let's check the week. 13%, the month 13%, 3 months 16%. Let's say since the beginning of January, so year to date, it's down 13%. You know, it's a great buying opportunity. So if you not in the market, it's a great opportunity for you to start investing in the market right now, especially today. You know, it's a great opportunity for you to invest in the stock market. And let's say if you already are investing in the stock market, it's another great opportunity for you to keep investing, you know. That's why I always keep some cash on the side for times like this. So I stay prepared and I stay ready to take advantage of these opportunities that come around. You know, you ain't gotta start big. Like I always say, you don't need to start big. You can start with $10, $15, $100, you know, but just start, man. Just start. You won't regret it. Just start. You know, like as you can see right here, total return, I'm up 144%. So I double my money. You know, I double my money. I just keep buying in it. I just keep buying more. I get money, I keep buying more instead of me just wasting money. And instead of me going out or every other week or buying clothes every other week, you know, or just buying unnecessary things that I really don't need, I just invest in the stock market. My money's here, man. Like, it's not going nowhere, you know. Yes, you can have bad cycles. You know, it's a cycle. The bull and the bear. You know, you have good days, bad days, red days, green days. But at the end of the day, if you invest for the long term, your money will be good. Your money will be good. Trust me on that. As you can see right there, total return. You know, I'm up, not doing anything, my brother. I'm not doing anything. You know, I don't do no how you call this? I don't do no swing trades, no trading, none of that. I just invest for the long term. Maybe later on I get into it, but as for now, I'm just worried about investing in the long term, nothing else. Right, so as you can see right here, I got 1,300 without doing anything, just investing in the market, that's all. Right? Another company I picked up today was Oracle. Okay, so today I decided to open my position on Oracle because as I can see it's down 15%, which is pretty good, you know. Let's check the week. 5%, 10%, let's see, year over 7%, you know. So it was a good opportunity for me to get in. I saw a good opportunity for me to get in. You know, I saw a sell. So I would say, you know what, let me just jump in and put $250. It wasn't much. $250, you know, let me start there. Total return right now, I'm negative 6%. But it's all about starting, man. It's all about investing. I'm pretty sure that I will be able to double my investment with this company in a couple upcoming years, you know. Oracle is part of the new company, the AI company that is called Stargate. You know, they will be investing $500 billion. So they're part of that. They also right now, it can change, okay? But as for right now, as of today, they are the leading company that will be taking over TikTok in the US, right? So they will be managing the algorithm, the data and the software updates, okay, from TikTok. So that's a huge win right there if they get to secure that bag right there, right? And also the co-owner of Oracle is very close with Elon Musk. They like buddies, buddy. So, it pays off to have good friends, man. So it pays off to have powerful friends. So I know for a fact whatever I invest here, I get it back, right? That's all we want, man. We just want to help people and help them be the best version of themselves, be able to invest in the future, be able to invest in their families, and just to start investing, man. It really don't take as much. Once you do that first $100, that first $50, you start getting in the habits of investing, of saving money. You will start feeling better. You will start feeling with hope. You will start feeling like, yeah, I can do it. Like, yeah, I can go to $100,000 in my investment account. Yeah, I can do 200, $250,000, $500,000, $1 million. Everything is possible, man. A lot of people have done it, and they are not the last one that will do it. You and I, we still in the race. We can get there. We can get there. We can be CEOs. We can be anything we want to be. We just gotta believe and put in the work and have faith in God and just keep your head down and just keep investing in yourself and in your future and your families, man. But with that being said, man, you have a beautiful day. I hope this video gave you some information, some inspiration. And if you have any question, you can put a comment below or reach out to my IG, Nova Star Nation. Yeah, but thank you for everything, man. May you have a blessed day. May you like and share this video. And thank you for sticking out with me, man. And you already know, man. Peace.